Hey, I'm going to give a quick demo of the latest build. So first thing we do is go underneath my profile settings, and then in here I currently have my player set at the top. It will auto hide after 5 seconds, and then it will become 20% visible. These are all new features. Now we go into my player. Right now I'm currently in the Google Cardboard mode, so some of the screen is currently missing. Alright, now if you notice at the top of the screen there is my player, so now you can move it to the top or you can move it to the bottom. It's up to you, just depending upon how you feel. And now if I look over here, my move icon, now it shows a better image. Alright, and then the switch will do the same thing. I can go over here to my mute button now, and now it actually tells me mute and then unmute, so that's kind of nice. It actually switches out. And now this used to be the full player, but now I just call it more options. So in here you just have all the extra options. You don't actually have any video playback controls, but if you want you can change the current audio track, you can change the angle, you can choose a preset. I usually hide those, but then here you can actually get it. And then I'm just going to use the B at the bottom to go back. And now I'm back in my full player. I'm going to just refocus. And then there's the current time. That's nice. So now I know what time it is. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here. I'm going to choose panoramas. I'll go to the end. So look at the last one. I'll bring it up. And then alright, so now I have chosen a panorama. So now if I just wait a little bit, there it went. So now my top interface is now gone. So that's kind of nice. I can change it to, if I want it to be 5% also. If I'm not caring, I'll just make it completely disappear. But then this is just a nice way that you could still have it visible, but it won't get in the way, which is nice. Let me go underneath photos, and now let me just choose this photo. Alright, that looks better. And then the bar at the top is going to do the same thing. Just wait a couple seconds, and then it should just disappear, which that's nice. Okay. And then it'll do the same thing for files. So if I did choose a file and play it, it would also do the same thing, but I'm not going to play any files at the moment. And then one of the new things is playback type, so just click here. And now for all the different files you can play, instead of choosing a preset, you can now choose a playback type. So in here, you can choose between 2D, 3D, and then different modes of 3D. Then I also got the spherical playback in here too, if you want to use 3D spherical or not. Or you can specify it as a video, film, panorama. And then inside of your profile setup, you can say, okay, for the 2D, use this preset, and for 3D, use this preset. So now, if you had different users using the app, they could all have their own preferred way of seeing it. Alright, thank you.